integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today I'm going through a product review with you. So I am reviewing or telling you guys about this product called Joy. I recently stumbled upon it while I was in Nashville and I have completely fallen in love. So it's nut milk bases, so it's milk base, right? So this is a cashew milk base, and this one is an almond milk base. So if you guys have seen our house-made almond milk video, which I think you have because it seems to be a pretty popular video on YouTube now, but when we make homemade almond milk, or when we have made it in the past, we've always used whole raw almonds. We've blended it with water, then you have to strain it through a nut milk bag, and then you have your milk. Well, Joy totally changed the game in this. So this product, you blend like a tablespoon of this nut milk base, which is almost like a really smooth cashew butter, and this is almost like a really smooth almond butter. So the only ingredient is almonds or cashews. They're blanched, so there's no skins, which makes it really, really smooth. So when you are making your nut milk with this, you just do a tablespoon per cup. So I could do 2 tablespoons of this cashew milk base with 2 cups of water. I can add a little vanilla and salt if I want to flavor it. You blend it and you have milk. There's no straining necessary. So we just started using this at Plant. We are loving it. We still have to make it the old-fashioned way, right? The straining and all of that from time to time. But this has been really, really easy for us to be able to keep up with and offer cashew milk now and not just almond milk. So that's my review. I think you guys will love this product. We are selling them as retail at both of our locations as well. But be sure to check it out, and as you'll see, recipes coming soon will actually utilize these products in the recipes. So let us know what you think. Comment below when you try it. Tell us your experience, and I will see you soon.